My name is Nicholas Tallarico. I'm the Health and Safety Advisor for Belle Banne Conveyor Services. So this is Loyang A power station. We're currently looking over the mine.
So here at Loyang, we are the main maintenance contractor for all the conveyor systems here on site. In the mine, there's about 50 kilometres of conveyor belting that we maintain. We were seeing knife injuries across our whole business, and some of them are really serious injuries. We sat down and we thought, can we eliminate the knives altogether? Especially in a splicing environment where we have high knife exposure.
I consulted with the guys and challenged them to come up with different tools and methods that they could use for each step of the process, and that's how we got to the knifeless splice in the end.
Conveyor belt here is about 2 metres wide inside here, 139 cables, and we would use these knives here. Traditionally what we'd use is this hook knife, and we'd have to hook in each wire individually. Now is this multi-purpose tool here. Every movement with the multi-tool is actually away from your body as opposed to with the knives. Most of it was drawn towards your body, so it's a lot safer.
We come together and we did the first steel cord belt splice without a knife. And that's a real game changer for our industry.
Physically, yeah, it's a lot easier. It takes a lot of strain and backache out of it, I suppose.
So we haven't had any knife-related injuries in 2019, which is a great result from the knifeless splice.
It wasn't developed by our safety advisor or our manager, it was developed by our people, and now they're the guys that are running with it, and to be recognised for this achievement is great.